Hello, Joanne and Darren. We're the big winners of the
Lakeport Backyard Barbecue.
perfect contest.
I love Lakeport.
Marvelous beer.
It's tasty. It's tasty. Not tasty. It's good for the price you get it, and you can't complain, right? Exactly.
Smile for the camera. I'm Cameron. I won this contest. I'm having a great time. Obviously, look around, there's a bunch of people.
I can say honestly, this is probably the best Lakeport moment of life.
It's Lakeport. Hey, I'm Wes. I'm a recent winner of the Flippin for Lakeport Backyard Barbecue. We're having a great time. As soon as I moved to Ontario, first beer I drank, Lakeport Honey Longer. It was great. Delicious. Delicious.
Cheers! Lakeport!
Hey! Lakeport! Yeah!
Great beer, fair prices.
Say, change the label to Lighthouse.
You got a little lighthouse there?
Good choice.
Lakeport's always welcome here. Always.